I have in my hand the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and this one is all about the cameras. And you can see that they take up the whole back of the device. And there's a good reason for that. Three 48 megapixel cameras, and we're going to get into all the new features right now.
The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max feature a pretty big redesign that you're either going to love or hate. The so-called plateau on the back houses a seriously upgraded camera system that stretches across the back of the device and houses a lot of components to make way for bigger batteries. I actually like the new look of the iPhone 17 Pro, as the huge camera array feels more pro than before, and the two-tone design on the back stands out versus previous iPhones. The iPhone 17 Pro colors include deep blue, cosmic orange, and silver. I would definitely go for the orange, as the Pro iPhone finally gets a fun color. Apple ditched titanium for a lighter aluminum unibody design, but it's not just about the weight. Aluminum is 20 times better for dissipating heat than titanium.
I don't know if it is, but it actually feels lighter in my hand. And I think it's because of the aluminum that they're using. And they went from titanium to aluminum. So this is what they call the plateau, which is larger than life. But they're all 48 megapixels.
In terms of cameras, you get a 48 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and now a 48 megapixel telephoto zoom lens with up to 8x optical quality zoom. The camera crops in, giving you a 12 megapixel photo. There's also a 40x digital zoom option, which is an improvement but still way behind the 100x zoom on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and Pixel 10 Pro XL. The center stage front camera is a killer upgrade for selfies because the square 18 megapixel sensor is smart enough to switch from portrait to landscape mode when the iPhone 17 Pro senses there's more people in the frame. When it comes to video, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max can record using the front and back camera simultaneously using dual capture. The iPhone 17 Pro chip is pretty powerful, offering a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU complete with neural accelerators built into each core for better AI performance. But how long will that performance last? The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max use a new vapor chamber cooling system that's designed to deliver better sustained performance. So you should be able to game for longer without overheating.
It's like the baby brother.
The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max pack bigger batteries than before, and the result is longer battery life. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rated for 39 hours of video playback, compared to 33 for the previous model. And the iPhone 17 Pro gets a bump from 27 hours to 33 hours. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max finally offer faster charging too, promising a 50% charge in just 20 minutes. At $1099 for the iPhone 17 Pro and $1199 for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple has held the line on pricing, sort of. The Pro is $100 more, but you get 256 gigs of storage to start, matching the Pro Max. So what would I get? I'd go for the iPhone 17 Pro Max for the biggest battery and the biggest display possible. The Pro looks almost cute by comparison, but it's certainly capable.
That's our quick overview of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. For me, I want to know how long that battery life lasts. But what do you want to know? What kind of questions do you want us to answer in our full review of the Pro and Pro Max? For Tom's Guide, this is Mark Spoonhour. I'm not sure what I think about the two-tone design.